So my biggest success in property, I have to say, would be my first 3 investments, because those first 3 investments really kickstarted my entire journey when it came to property investment. I attribute that success, and the reason why I call it a success was because at the time of me buying those properties, it was actually not a good time to be buying. All the news articles were saying that the market was going to crash 30% or 40%, that we were in a property bubble. But I knew that that wasn't going to be the case. And as a result of those 3 properties, I'd made about $1 million of capital growth in about 6 years. I'd made more money in those 6 years than all of my income added up in the preceding 10 years of working. Okay, so that's how much of a difference it made to me financially. If you put aside the financial aspect, investing in those properties, experiencing the failures of my first property, it taught me a lot about how to actually teach people the same thing. So that would be another big success for me, is now I'm running a property company where I'm teaching this stuff to other people. That I would say that gives me the most satisfaction in life. Someone's in their 20s old or they're 25 years old. I can actually show them a pathway on how they can avoid the mistakes I made and replicate it to successes as well. And that to me is the ultimate success, is to see other people take what I've learned and then replicate it. That is more than anything I could ask for.